Let's master two essential cutting tools in Blender, the Knife tool and Knife Project. First, hit the K key to activate the Knife tool. This gives you total freedom on your mesh. You can click anywhere to create custom cuts, solve tricky topology, or add manual detail exactly where you need it. Just remember to press Enter to confirm your cut and ESC to cancel. A pro tip, if you need your cut to go all the way through the object, just press C to enable Cut Through while you're slicing. This is a game changer for keeping your geometry consistent on both sides without extra work. Now, what if you have a specific shape, like a logo, text, or a custom pattern, that you want to project onto your mesh? That's where Knife Project comes in. To use it, select your source object first, like a 2D curve or another mesh, then Shift-select your target mesh and jump into Edit mode. From the Mesh menu, select Knife Project. Blender will use your current view angle to stamp that shape perfectly onto your geometry. It's a massive time saver for complex detailing and adding logos to your models without messing up your main workflow. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more. Happy modeling!